everyone, me Priyank Singh here with my video #5, and in today's video we are going to code for this little bird, and we need to code that I need to make a lot of balloons and this bird needs to catch them. So let's get started. I'll first go to the ropes, repeat 10 times, I'll join it, and now I'll go to sprites and take this massive block. I'll change it to blue balloon and I'll go to the stickers and change it to this blue balloon. See, it has now changed to the blue balloon. Now what I need to do is that I need to make it to random locations. So I'll go to locations and random location. See, it has made so many. And now what I need to do is that I want them to wander. So I'll go to the behaviors, sprite beings, and I'll join it with the repeat 10 times. Now what we need to do is that I'll just get out this block and I'll go to sprites and then this my sprite and I'll change it to blue balloon. And now what I need to do is that I again need to go to the behavior and now, which one should I take? I think we should take wandering because they should wander. So let's see how this works. Wow, this really works. And but the half coding is done for us. So let's see if this coding works. Okay, this is nice. It sometimes does not work, but 10 also, it is okay. See, it is happening. I have scored 1 point, even 2. So, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.